Good morning everybody to a Friday in May where the weather is still not playing very fair. It's constant rain all the time. And it's not going to let me get the drone out. It's going to reduce the amount of footage I can get, so I'm going to have to be quite creative during the walk today. Buen Camino. When it rains in Spain, it rains. Wow, this is relentless. Absolutely relentless. Not the easiest day, this one. So wet.